Welcome back to Body and Brain Tai Chi. Today we're going to practice the archer stance. Now this stance is a really simple but powerful practice. Let's warm up with some heel raises. So just lift up the heels and then a few knee rotations. You want to make your knees nice and warm and comfortable. Now if you need some more time, pause the video, warm up, stretch a little bit more before we get into it. I'm going to do some hip circles, keeping the feet planted, just rotate the hips. Loosen up those muscles in the lower back and the legs. This will really help you when you want to feel energy. All right, feet together and do some Tai Chi breathing. Hands come up as you breathe in and down as you breathe out. Expand the chest, feel the palms. Start to get a sense of energy. Ready? All right, sink in. Now I'm stepping out with my left foot. You can see my left knee is bent, right leg is back. Knee is straight, spine upright. If you want to practice along, you can do the mirror image. So that would be your right knee bent, left leg behind you straight. Hands at about the lower abdomen, making a gentle fist to help us focus on the core. And we're switching to the other side. So I've got my right knee bent, my left leg straight back. You might do the mirror, left knee bent, right leg back. So this archer stance is quite simple, but the transition movement might take a little bit more time to learn. The key point is you want to shift your weight off of the foot that you're moving. So you can see I shift my weight back, I turn the front foot. Then I shift my weight onto the front foot and turn the back foot. That way you can prevent any injuries to your joints, and you can also feel the flow of energy. Very good. So shifting the weight forward, then the back leg turns. You want to get used to that movement so that it becomes an unconscious habit. You're not trying to twist your body while your weight is still on that leg. Shift the weight back, turn the foot. Even when you bring the legs together, you want to move the empty foot. Couple Tai Chi breaths, breathe in, breathe out, relax your chest. All right, one more time. Sink in, step out with that empty foot. Now we're adding the hands. So if your left knee is bent, left foot in front, extend the right hand. It's the opposite hand and foot. So that right leg is back, extended, that right hand is extended forward, your whole right side open. The other side. I'm doing the left hand forward, right knee forward and bent. That means the left leg is straight back. You might do the mirror image. You want to feel some strength pushing that heel back into the ground. That's your anchor. And then the energy is pushing up through the core and out through that hand. Keep the shoulders relaxed. You can see the elbow is slightly unlocked, wrist bent so the fingers point up. But you don't have to raise your hand too high. In general, your upper body should be relaxed, your lower body is strong and stable. Notice again how I'm moving the empty leg. I'm shifting the weight, and then turning the foot that the weight is not on. Spine straight. You don't have to lean out with that arm. Just let your arm naturally go as far as it does. You want to hold the energy in your center. All right, bring the feet together, take a little break. Clearing breath over your head, sweep down. Relax any tension that built up in your shoulders or your spine. Feel your legs. You're probably already feeling some of those muscles, maybe a little stretch in the hips and back. All right, again, let's sink in, step out, shift the weight forward, turn the back foot, and extend the opposite hand. You should feel a little bit more, maybe magnetic sensation, maybe warmth on your palm. Shifting the weight, turn the feet, extend. So you notice I'm flowing a little bit farther into the posture each time now. Extending the arm a little bit, kind of feeling the energy more. So when you do that, you can actually expand your energy. You can feel more energy. The key is, the more you expand, you want to feel more strongly your center. You want to hold your center even better. So as the hands come in, you gather that energy. As you set your feet and extend your hands, you expand your energy. But don't lose the feeling of your center. Kind of tucking the tailbone, feel a little pressure in the lower abdomen. Gather and set your feet, extend. Feel the core. Shoulders stay kind of relaxed, elbow unlocked. That lets you keep your awareness down in the core. Yeah, you can see the hands flowing. I'm feeling a little bit more energy now. Things are opening up. Maybe the meridians feel open. The energy is flowing. Feel some heat on the hands. Hopefully the feet as well. So imagine you're really pushing a heavy weight. You've got to be grounded. Your strength has to come from the ground up into that arm. The arm by itself is not very strong, but from the ground our body is very strong. So by now, if you're practicing along, this posture should become easier and more natural feeling. The transition might still take a little work. Just remember, shift the weight and then turn the empty foot. Don't turn before you've shifted your weight off of that leg. Breathe comfortably. Keep feeling the hands. All right, bring it back. Let's take a deep clearing breath. Sweep down. Nice job. All right, one last time, let's get into this archer stance. Emptying my left foot, I'm stepping out, and shift the weight, turn that right foot back, and extend the right hand. You can really see it now. Just let the arms kind of float out there. The weight of the arms is actually held by the core. You want to feel it in the core. Again, shifting, empty. My right foot, I push into the right leg and turn the left foot back. Extend the left hand. So at this point, I'm really feeling like there's more flexibility, there's more extension, more energy than there was before. But at the same time, I want to gather strength in the core. I don't want to lose that sense of my center. Breathing, shifting the weight. Enjoy feeling the body weight shift into the front leg and extend. You want to get a little bit more weight into the front leg than the back leg. Feel like it's 60%. As I said before, spine upright, you're not leaning over from the waist. And switch. Anchor that foot, the heel down, extend that left hand. Open the palm. There's an acupressure point in the center of the palm that we want to feel a lot of energy there. And there's also an acupressure point on the bottom of each foot, the yongchan. You want to feel like that point is connecting to the ground. You can crouch down a little bit deeper, really activate those muscles. As much as you can do it, still feeling the core, go ahead and go a little deeper, extend a little farther, put a little bit more flow into it. Great job. Come on back, take a deep clearing breath, sweep down. Feel the muscles, feel the energy. I think you'll notice the upper body feels a little lighter, clearer. Lower body feels more alive and awake. If If you're outside and you practice in nature, this is a great time to soak up some of that energy. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for practicing. Try this again, give your body a break and come back to it a day or two later, and it'll really become easier. If you like this video, please like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, catch all our videos, and share it around with other people. Comment, let us know how you felt. Until next time, take good care of yourselves, and we'll see you then.